Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Chelsea filter model and its peak wavelengths so you know what fluorescence to expect. Put fresh batteries in and clean the optics to avoid false reflections. Position your subject in dim light and stabilize the camera or scope. You want consistent framing. Once done, make sure to note distance and angle because these change apparent color. Begin with a short test exposure to verify the filter slips and light source align. This begins reliable results. Now you capture with intent. Use a narrowband or filtered light at the recommended intensity so the Chelsea filter isolates the emission. Set a base exposure and bracket 3 to 5 frames across shutter speed and ISO to capture subtle fluorescence. While shooting, adjust focus slightly because filtered light can affect contrast. Autofocus may fail. Record exact distance, light angle, and settings so you can reproduce results. Once you have good frames, preview for highlights and color saturation before moving on. Finish by comparing bracketed images and selecting the frame that shows clear, true fluorescence with minimal noise. You'll correct white balance and gently boost contrast and selective saturation to reveal the diagnostic hues. Avoid heavy processing that creates artifacts. Export a reference image with annotated settings for future use. If things go wrong, check 3 common causes: misaligned filter, wrong light wavelength or intensity, and ambient light leakage. Fix the one off and repeat the bracketed capture to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.